if you're experiencing a stuck loading screen while trying to install the EAFC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements for EAFC25. Check the game's official website for details on hardware and software specifications. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve loading issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to see if the installation progresses. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help eliminate corrupted data that might be causing the loading screen issue. Access your device settings, find the storage or application management section, and clear the cache for the EAFC25 application. Step 4. Update your software. Make sure your operating system and any relevant drivers are up to date. Check for updates on your console or PC, as outdated software can lead to installation problems. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling EAFC25. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen to freeze. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.